Today I'm going to show you how to get the time attack and sound test in Sonic Triple Trouble. Online it says that you're supposed to press up or down when the Sega logo appears. Well, that's rubbish. I'm going to show you how to really do it. Okay, when it says Sonic Triple Trouble and then see where it says the Hedgehog, press start. Now press up and it'll say the Hedgehog sound test for up. Press down and it will say the Hedgehog, press start again. Then it will say the Hedgehog time attack. Here, I'll show you what sound test looks like. It's just like you can run around and sound effects or the level song. Now I'll show you time attack. So this is where you're supposed to press up or down. That's what it says online, but of course that's wrong. Okay. There's time attack. It's only one level time attack, no matter. You beat it and then it'll just start over. It says ready. Go, and then you just try to beat it. You can be as Sonic or Tails. And that's pretty much it.